Rosemer's pass complete to Elijah Spencer. Jimmy Rolder made the tackle. Gain of 13 on the play. 2nd and 7. Today, the Michigan Marching Band, in celebration of Military Appreciation Day, presents some of our great American musical heritage, a Rhapsody in Red, White, and Blue. It was 100 years ago that George Gershwin combined classical and jazz in his Rhapsody in Blue. The kick is good. The score is Michigan 14, Minnesota 0.
Tapping that ass.
After a deal with the tournament winner, hit the front line and
Michigan touchdown. Dominic Savannah to attempt the extra point.